Hello. In this video, I'll do this question, find the probability based on this tree diagram. But notice that you might have different questions based on the what's the experiment going to be. Here, you flip a coin and roll a standard die. Other one could be you flip a coin and again you flip a coin twice. Then again, other one going to be you maybe flip a coin and you roll a die. Or other could be you choose a 4-color marble and you flip a coin. So that's different one. So depends. Maybe I'll do this one because pretty much all are the similar. So you find the probability of each event. Event in the first question is head and red marble. Next question, if probability you're looking for is tail and head. So let's see how we do this question. In this question, first you do choose one of the 4-color marble, and then you roll a die. Sorry, flip a coin. So here is a outcome, and the sample space is 8 outcome: red head, red tail, yellow head, yellow tail, green head, green tail, maybe you can say blue head, blue tail. Okay, so first question asks you what's the probability. Okay, head and the red marble, head and red. So you have a head and red here in this outcome, so you get 1 over 8. That's the probability. The question tells you write fraction or whole number. That's what you do. A tail and head. So tail and there is no tail and head because the first outcome cannot be tail, so there's no way you can get tail and head. You get 0 over 8. Basically that's same as 0. We just put the 0 here. Okay, the second one is going to be yellow marble. So here in this first in this outcome you have yellow marble, yellow and head has a yellow marble, yellow and tail has a yellow marble. So you have a 2 over 8 as a probability of getting yellow marble, which is same as 1 over 4. Okay, so that's the answer. Submit here. We good, right? Let me do refresh and do other question. You might get this one. Let me get new words. Maybe I'll do this one here. So here you roll a die first and flip a coin next. So you have a possible outcome when you 1 head, 1 tail, 2 head, 2 tail, 3 head, 3 tail, 4 head, 4 tail, 5 head, 5 tail, 6 head, 6 tail. So you have a 12 possible outcome. So first question tells you what's the probability that you get tail and odd number. So tail and odd number gonna be you look for tail and odd. So it doesn't matter odd and tail, or tail and odd is same thing here. So tail and odd are gonna be here. This is tail and odd 1, and tail and odd 2, and tail and odd 3. So you get 3 over 12, right? This gives you 1 over 4 if you reduce fraction. Okay, that's the answer. Second question is a 4 and a 1. Okay, 4 and a 1. So there is no 4 and 1 because you can have either tail or number, cannot be both number. Okay, so this is going to be 0 because there is no such event. You have 4 and 1 both number. Remember that one has to be head or tail, other has to be number. So this is impossible. So head and number 3 or larger. So head and number 3 or larger. So you're looking for number 3 or larger. Notice that number 3 or larger. So you have a head and number 3. You have this one, 1. Head and number 3 or larger. Right? 2. Head and number 3 larger. 3 and 4. So you get 4 over 12. But notice that for all 12 is simple fraction is 1 over 3. Okay, so that's how you do. Submit and you get this correct. That's how you do this question. I think this helps you. Thank you for watching. Bye.